Hi guys, today Tuesday, and I pick up Georgi because Georgi have received Lazada billiard key, and he is not too straight. He won't return to seller, but seller said I don't want to not return. But he opened dispute on Lazada, and Lazada agree, and he is going to already to what name? GNT Express. Yes, it's like shipping company. So this is Georgi. It's easy to return items to Lazada.
Yeah, I don't know. It's
So it's first time,
yes.
okay? Okay, let's go inside and take a look how to return.
I have label for
You have only, yes, QR code. GNT Express.
Is that a return?
It's return to Lazada. Return to Lazada. Yeah.
Yes. Only main branch, sir. Do you happen to know Pure Gold Dough?
What?
Pure Gold Dough.
Only in Pure Gold Dough can return.
Yeah, in front.
Okay. Georgi, I know where in Pure Gold Dough. Okay, let's go. Okay, thank you for information.
Really far.
Yeah, it's far. So return Lazada need go to the near Dow. In Dow Pure Gold. Okay, let's go, no problem. Because
Yes.
after we going to Clark. Because need return today. Okay. Okay guys, we're going to Dow right now. Guys, now we're in the Dow. In front of Burger King. This is Burger King. Burger King. Have LBC. This is main office LBC. Lazada can return only in the main office. GNT Express. Okay, Georgi, let's go. Go inside. He first time to return from Lazada to Lazada. Good afternoon. We want return to Lazada. Yes. Show return label. Yes, okay, you can give. GNT Express. This is my office. Return Lazada only here.
Georgie Mark, sir?
Guys, return is very easy and so fast. So you just only come to the Dow office GMT and can return. So Georgi already. And now we're going to the Clark duty free. Clark Pure Gold duty free. It's good time now. This is 4 p.m. and this time don't have traffic. That's why we're going to the Clark duty free, Pure Gold duty free. Pure Gold duty free. Here not need to membership card. Is without membership. Parking, so many space. So I think don't have people. Not so many people inside. Work from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Don't have people here.
Calling the attention of Mr. Jeriel Videra, please to the client section. Mr. Jeriel Videra to the client section.
Price in US dollar.
Yes, in US dollar price. Take a look.
How I pay?
No, you can pay in the card from your card, you
Dollars?
no. You can pay in peso, but convert to the from dollars.
They bill me in dollars.
Yes, they deal in the dollars, but you pay in the peso. Here price in the peso. Take a look. Price in the peso. Sometimes in dollars, sometimes in the peso. I don't know. Here price in the peso. Peso. Not only dollars. How much? Dark chocolate, 49 peso. Before 100, now 49. It's okay, chocolate we can buy. It's good. I will take different chocolate. Russian chocolate with this. Russian. I think in Russia it's maybe 20 peso maximum. Yeah. No, you know, you've been in Russia. How much in Russia say the same? But more cheaper maybe, yes? And this is big chocolate is 100 peso only. 109. Yeah, really good price for chocolate. Победа. Победа in Russian it's victory. Victory. Toblerone. Also good price. What is?
Expiration
Soon
date.
expiration day, yes. 3 pieces, 250 only.
It's late, more late, July.
But also is not expensive.
It's different.
Yeah, different.
July.
Oatmeal. How much here oatmeal? I don't know, don't have price. This is in price in dollars, $16. I hear price in the peso, 55 peso. $16 is maybe 700 peso. Honey, 34 peso. Oi, 34 dollars. $34 is 2 kilograms and 27 grams. So Georgi, here cheaper?
In a sum about 200.
200, but here 152 only. Yes, I bought before in hypermarket, same. Yeah, cheaper here. Ketchup, $1.68. Hi guys, we already been in the Pure Gold Clark. Here, very good price. We recommended go to this Pure Gold, and here is more cheaper and have discount. Also many imported products.